Straps under wings secure.
Checking starboard side. Clear.
Lifting signal given.
Increase power on winch 3. Hold steady, it's swinging. Watch the cable, keep it tight. Almost there, just a few more feet. Cable tension 0. Engaging winch 3. Pressure washers online. Status check, cockpit clear. Ready to blow. Keep the tail steady. Target that big cluster on the wing. Watch your step on the deck, it's slick. Keep the spray on the starboard side. Copy that. Moving to the tail. Watch the wiring. Delicate around here. Understood. Check that gauge. Keep scraping. It's still holding. Clear the way. I'm blasting it. Check the monitor. The damage is severe. Hold the lift. Adjust the aft sling. It's clearing. Take it down slowly. Check the strut. Is it stable on the blocking? Frame 2-8. Fuselage damage confirmed. Structural integrity at the wing root is a major concern. Note the same. Sector 2 gauges holding at 7.8. Canopy frame secure. Belly panels next. Mark them. Tagging underway. Internal structure visible. Documenting corrosion.
The data shows severe section loss here. We need immediate replacement. Copy that. Moving to bore scope the center spar. Readings indicate
Condition is critical. Requires patch. Scanner failed. Manual input. Needs solvent bath. Ready for storage bin.
The data confirms severe structural failure.
Corrosion is extensive. Replacements are needed.
We cannot salvage this assembly.
Okay, hoist is ready. Disconnecting the lines now. Watch the balance. Easy. Chains are secure. Lifting slowly. Up a little. Left! Left! Ready on the stand. Slow down, slow down. Got it, secure it.
Apply paste to the tail section.
Copy.
pH is rising to 7.2 on the nose.
Sector 3A complete, over to 4B. Checking seam at 2C, straight. Prep 5 Alpha, fill deep section, move fast.
Keep shaping that curve. It's almost there. Check the fit again.
Measure twice, cut once. Bring me the bending jig. Rivet set, perfect fit. Let's test the balance now. Keep heating there. Bearing out. Structure secure. More force. Applying treatment. Measure 14 inches. Okay, I got it. Watch the well heat. Sparks up. Hold steady. Done.
The sediment is heavy here, need more cleaner.
Checking the line, definitely salt crusted.
Pressure looks good on this section.
The schematics indicate the pressure valves need to be reset. Continuity on number 6 is intermittent. Check the pin out against the diagram, I'm getting a short. Tablet is updated. Try feeding the new wire section now. Readings are off by 15 degrees.
Try resetting the internal mechanism. I'll check the schematic for the correct setting.
That's better, now calibrate to standard pressure.
The readings are stable, phase 1 complete.
Reviewing data now.
Let's finalize the schematic for phase 2. Verified. Move to structural.
cut along the red line.
Check the template here. Slide it through, line up the holes. Good fit, keep them coming. Hole 4, ready to go. Got it, setting the rivet. Check the alignment, please. That's it, moving on. Keep it steady there. Almost got it. Looking good so far. Alignment check, hold it steady. Got it, drill the edge. Sealant applied, moving to the next section. Final rivets on the upper spine. Line it up, ready? Drill. Next one. Keep it steady, drill that hole. Slide the panel left, more sealant. Set the rivets fast, move the bar. Alignment correct. Inserting pin 1. Pin 2 secured. Checking trim tab. Smooth movement. Ready for test. Check alignment. Hold it steady. Pin is in. Lock the top. Tension is good. Line it up. Tightening the flare. Check the extension. Sensor calibrated. Looks good, good. Lock it into position. All right, lift it steady. We're clear on the port side. Pins are in. Torque it down. Check the hydraulics. Bleeding the lines now. Line up the pins. Secure the top fitting. Check the sensors. Retract. Extend. Clear. Measure the gap. 0.05 inches. Adjust up slightly. Check clearance. Actuator cycling. Shields in. Check clearance. Clear. Secure. Hydraulics clear. Checking ohms. Power on harness. Measure. Hold it there. Clear. Locking. Locking. Torque now.
Line it up properly. It's in. Engaging the clamp. Check clearances on the main gear. Verified. Moving to the next unit.
Torque value set.
Check. Clear the bolt.
Torque value 20.
Verified.
Connector engaged.
Line it up. Right there. Pins are in. Bolted down. Check the hydraulic line. Fast. Fast.
Torque check. One click, hold.
Electrics verified.
Heat shield secure.
Fuel line's good.
All systems connected.
Line it up there. Engaging the clamp. Hand me the fairing.
Alignment check. Looks good. Nose secure. Final fasteners. Installing the flow straighteners. Ready for probes.
Line it up. Easy, easy. Pins in. Secure the locks. Perfect. Done.
Line up the pins. Good. Secure the bracket. Main harness engaged. Check power. Altimeter, pressure, and horizon moving. Panel lights are green. Control stick secure. Rudder pedals linked. Throttle quadrant connected. Trim controls engaged. Clear on movement. Checks complete.
Seat secure. Panels locked. Insulation finished.
Gun sight set.
Canopy check clear.
Complete.
Tight. Check pressure. Okay. Okay. No bubbles. Verified. System green.
System full. Priming complete. Clear fluid at port 3. Closing. Main gear extending. Check locks. Flaps through travel. Pressure nominal. Final checks.
Continuity checked. Voltage reading stable.
Main panel active.
Systems initialized. System check. Avionics 1 functional. Confirming antenna connection. Signal strong. Main radio initialized. Frequency set. Roger that. Moving to navigation testing.
All systems nominal. Flight surfaces checked.
Gears down and locked. Hydraulics green. Electrics fully functional. Engine start complete.
Phase 2 complete. Ready for paint.
Ground power connected. Check. Fuel connected. Check. Fire guards in position. Check. Engaging starter. RPMs increasing, oil pressure nominal. We have ignition. Affirm ignition. Pressure holding steady. Stabilization at idle. Propulsion verified. Idle. Systems check. Copy. Idle check complete. Metric to low power. Low power acknowledged. Monitoring temp. Immediate. Engine stable. Engine stick out. Systems all systems nominal. Check that. Temperatures holding steady. No leaks detect.
Okay, 52. Check. 53. Hold it. Reset. 53.5. Got it. Neutral confirmed. Rudder lock. Completed.
03560. Check. Verified.
2980. Inputting data.
5245.
Calculating CG. Open valve. Tank 1 full. Verified level. Reading good. Check indicators. Calibrating. Stable. Verified. Complete.
Next heading. 090 degrees. Recording. Readings match. Calculate deviation. Deviation found. Update correction card. Card updated. Final heading.
Next heading 360.
Reading is 345. Compensator adjusted.
Deviation checked. Card is ready. Pressure source connected.
Pressure increasing. Check instruments.
Readings verified and recorded. System is green.
Seat up. Verified. Seat down. Intermediate. Harness tension good. Release checks passed. Pyro circuits checked. Safety pins in.
Canopy closing.
Verified.
Hinge check. Canopy opening.
Checked.
Seal test.
Retraction initiated. Cycle 1 complete. Pressure nominal. Main gear doors closed. Verifying locks. Extension sequence.
Engaging hydraulics. Looking for full extension. Checking symmetry.
Symmetry confirmed on right.
Readings are stable. Now retracting.
Verified. Full retraction successful.
Mounted on fixture. Balance reading. Nose heavy. Add weight to the tail. Verified. Zero balance. Secure the weight. Balanced and marked.
Pressure holding steady.
No fluorescence detected here.
Check the next scene.
Gauge is stable.
Leak verified, tightening now.
Clear on this end.
Pressure increase, checking connections. Relief valve opening, verify reading. Actuator cycle, checking for leaks. Pressure holding steady, no leaks detected, test complete.
Main breaker on. Generator 1 initiated.
Stable voltage at the wingtips.
Battery holding 60 volts, all circuits green. Engaging the landing lights. Full load initiated.
Testing frequencies 1 through 9, reading loud and clear. Affirmative, clear. Switching to intercom, testing internal. Check, okay. Signal verified at all distances X.
Satellites acquired, signal locked. Matching coordinates, VOR clear. Readings verified, systems online. Navigation capability confirmed.
Heat applied, alarm triggered, reset.
Bottle pressure nominal. Moving to line B.
Egress path clear, canopy cycled.
Masking the main panel. Applying paper over the controls now. Solvents down, ready to sand the edges. Checking tape lines, looks secure. Good to go inside. Color check on the starboard side.
Looks good. Matching the spec card.
Uniformity is solid on the ceiling. Keep it smooth on the bulkhead.
Got it. Checking the pressure.
Looks good on the canopy, just a little touch up.
Alignment check, left side clear.
Secure the stencil, start the spray.
Star looks good, moving to the wing.
Alignment check complete on the angle attack probes.
Pitot tube secured. Torque wrench reading is good.
Antennae installed and grounded. Final inspection ready.